So inside your oven, this is the setup of the valve. If you're looking at the front right, it slides right into place. This is the switch that carries the signal to the spark igniter. It clips on very, very easily. That way, whenever you press the valve, the switch initiates. But there is a groove in the post that one of these clips slide into. You can see to remove it, you simply just remove it out. It's very easy to do. You can either remove the valve assembly if you desire you want to, or if you reach in with your hands, you can pop it loose. So if you look right here, as we look at the inside, you can see the valve is right on the inside of the leg of the oven. So when you look from the front, you can see that the switch attaches to the post up front. If you wanted to remove it, you don't even have to remove the bottom plate. You simply grab with your finger on the outside and one on the inside and pull backwards. That removes the assembly from the valve itself. Otherwise, if you want to be able to remove the valve, you're going to need to remove the gas line. So you remove this panel on the door, and you can see we have our gas line that is held in by these screws and clamps with rubber bushings on them. You would simply unscrew those. The entire assembly would then slide out of the back of the unit. So if you look in this case at the bottom, but this would be the back of the oven, you can see where the tube attachment is for the gas line that runs all the way up to the valve. It's not necessary, but once again, just to show you the simplicity of this, we have our valve sticking out of the front. The switch then clips into place. Make sure that it is functioning properly. It is not broken. That then presses down and initiates, generates the spark. Easy to remove, easy to install. Hope this helps.